Hey everyone, it's Wednesday and it's that time again. This is Allison here with Checkerboard and we are doing our unboxing. Now, I do have to admit that one part of our box this week is already missing because Jason had to leave and so he grabbed the beets and ran. So, I get to show you everything but the beets. Sounds like a song name. I better get right on that, huh? Okay. Oh, this is a really nice box this week, you guys. So, the thing I'm really excited about are the bag of pickling cubes and the fresh dill. This is gonna be awesome. Like, seriously, if you haven't made refrigerator pickles, they are the easiest thing in the world. Look up a recipe. Okay, nice stuff there. Let's see. We've got some really nice green peppers. Oh my goodness, you guys. I wish you could feel this because it's really nice. Not the crappy ones you get in the grocery store all winter. All right. Here we go. Nice green peppers. We also got some poblanos this week too. So for making up a little bit of a mild salsa, these are really nice for that. And yeah, just like the bell peppers, these are really nice. They're perfectly ripe in season, just like ready to go. I'm trying to pull this one out without breaking my tomatoes here. Okay, cool. Lots of poblanos. We got a couple tomatoes, which have been amazing. Couple in there. Another little one. They're all perfectly ripe. I could take those home. I could slice them right now, actually. I won't. I don't get all of this to myself. We also got some more cabbage, and this is, oh gosh, am I going to remember? It's not Napa. Ah, I forgot. Anyway, if you're a CSA member, you got an email telling you what all of these things are. I should have studied more. And then, of course, we have the sweet corn, because who wouldn't want the sweet corn? Also, Kernel Days is coming up this weekend for Pahl's. If you haven't been there, it's one of the best events of the year because you can get a dozen ears of corn for $1, and you can get up to 4 dozen, so you get like a whole box of corn. My family does that every year and freezes it, and we eat it all winter long, and it is the best. So it's like having sweet corn all year. And then there's a whole bunch of other deals, other things for it, like everything's $1 or $1 a pound, or a couple things for $1. Depends on what you're getting and what's on sale that day. But going out, it's 9 to 5 this Saturday. But here is our box this week. And we are really enjoying the CSA box this year over here at Checkerboard. And I hope you are enjoying these videos. We will see you next week.